want to?
Oh yeah, I do. I love to. Let's play. Hey, Parrot, Mr. Parrot, will you like to play with me?
Yeah.
My name is Abba Parrot.
My name is Mr. Parrot.
My name is Abba Parrot.
Mr. Parrot, let's fly.
Abba Parrot, let's fly. Wow!
Hey, Parrot, do you play with me?
Yes, I do love to play.
Yeah, I do. Let's fly.
Yeah. Can they go in your back?
Yeah.
Ooh. Now it's your turn to go in my bag.
Time of two.
Whoa, it's our... Whoa!
Watch this.
Why?
Watch this.
Hey, can I ride on you, Parrot? Wow! You're going so fast!
Watch this.
This parrot is so...
You're Parrot. You're so nice. Yeah.
You're so
yeah.
nice. You want to be friends, Parrot?
Yeah, but I just found
I found this.
this could be my.
You can go ahead. You're fine. You cannot sit down there next to him. Y'all are too big.
Okay, I think I should fly for real. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I found a friend. Hey, I found a friend.
Hey. Oh.
Hey.
Hey, I found a friend. 4 parrots in a row. 4 parrots in a row.
Can I ride both of you?
Yeah, gotcha.
Wow!
2,
These
1.
roads are awesome. Wow! No!
Here, let's play high five. High five.
Why?
This time we're gonna do 2 at a time.
This time we're going to do at the time. High
High
five!
Bye bye, Mr. Parrot. Bye boy.
Whoa!
Now it just leaves us to 3.
Now it leaves us to 2.
2 parrots a row again.
2 parrots a row.
3, 2, 1.
And now we'll leave 1 parrot.
Trying to fly.
Hey,
Oh, you're too heavy.
Can I ride on it?
Right
I'm not
on.
heavy.
Yeah, but right on my tail.
Is it heavy?
No, it's so cool. Oh, goodbye.
Whoa. My butt is ripped on this. I mean not.